Nobody gonna know what you're doing. It's well, don't turn it up.
Let's have fun. We gon' set sail, catch a vibe with internet and have so much fun. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. We gon' set sail, catch a vibe with internet and have so much fun. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Yeah, catch a vibe, live a little.
Subscribe now.
Because never could win anything. Never can pick up anything. How y'all doing?
Do you work here?
Hmm?
Do you work here?
Oh, no.
Okay.
No.
Thank you.
No, you're welcome. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's right there. Right? Oh, they got them cooked. Oh. Sorry. They want to know if I work here. Oh, goodness. But yes, friends, I'll be back in here.
Shut off so we get back going.
Let's go look and see what other machines they have. Yep, they kept these locked down too, but I can't show y'all because they got them all closed out. They all closed out. So they kept those locked down too. Wait, somebody was always on it. Always, always. But leave it now. Let me know what's your favorite machine. I'm gonna come back over here because I want to show y'all. Okay, here go the blackjack table right here. This blackjack. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so. But anyway, I'm gonna get on out of here for a second.
Let's have fun.